What's up, skill stackers? I just landed here in Austin, Texas. I'm actually going to be here for a few days. I have the most amazing trip of my life planned as far as my career. It's going to be the biggest weekend of my career, and I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys where I'm at. I'm in Austin, Texas. Just give you a little sneak peek about what this whole weekend is going to be about, what I do, and so I'm going to document as much as I can for you guys. So, huge weekend. I know you guys already know a little bit about it with digital marketer, but we're going to go ahead and have some fun. So let's roll. All right, I made it. I'm here at Digital Marketer. That's the stage I'll be getting on here. Pretty freaking cool.
All right, up next we have Adrian Boysel. He's actually a new addition to the digital marketing community in terms of a faculty member. We've been doing podcasts, articles, has an amazing story that's actually very similar to my own, which is very endearing to me. And he's creative. A lot of people don't know, a lot of marketers are not creative. They are usually, on the analytical side, the management side, the strategy side. So to have somebody who comes from that creative element that has actually done graphic design is a unique element that I think needs to be incorporated into all marketing strategies. So, welcome, Adrian.
Woo! It's taken 15 years and hundreds of thousands of dollars are spent in coaching and masterminds and groups and courses, and I've rolled that all into this framework, which is the purpose-driven marketing plan, which I want to share with you guys. So, the science of marketing. Human psychology is considered a social science. Rhetorical appeals are powerful tools that are proven to persuade and influence the minds of decision makers. What do you think the first mistake that most marketers make? The answer is unclear objectives. If you're genuinely going out there and sharing your message and sharing your passion and sharing your heart and being vulnerable with the world and telling your story, which is one of the best marketing strategies you can possibly do, and telling your story, you're going to be influencing them. If you truly believe in what you do for a living, whatever it's running an agency, selling ads, or doing graphic design, or being a coach for somebody, if you truly believe that you're making people's lives better, you owe it to them to persuade them to make a decision that they need to make for themselves. And this is where I see a lot of marketers, a lot of agency owners, a lot of business owners in general really struggle in this area. They're not confident in themselves. And that's where some of the areas that I help coach and consult with people is helping them get out of that mindset of like, well, if I'm pushy to people, then they're just gonna think I'm trying to push something on them. No, you're trying to help them make their life better. You're trying to improve their life in some way. So persuading somebody is actually a really good thing if you're doing it ethically and morally.
What's up, my fellow skill stackers? I got to speak yesterday at Digital Marketer for the first time ever, and that was an amazing experience. Got a lot of practice, learned some new things, picked up some new skills, and made a group of amazing friends. So I want to encourage you, if you're looking to level up your life, you're looking to stack more skills, to make more money, to change the position that you're in your life right now, and you want more out of life, connect with me. I've been wanting to connect with you. There's a lot of people in this world that aren't making enough money, that aren't living the life that they want, and they feel trapped and they feel stuck. These are the people that I want to help most in the world, because I was there 15 years ago and I've been there throughout the course of my career. Life is full of ups and downs, and you have to take it and just go with the flow. And so what I want to do is encourage you guys today to live your dreams, pursue your dreams, take risks, make the investments into yourself. This trip was not cheap. These rooms that I booked are not cheap. The car that I booked was not cheap, right? These are investments that you're making into yourself, into your future, into the things that you want to do most in your life. So take the risk, take the chance, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm Adrian Boysel, and as always, keep looking up.